Here's a song I wrote called I Don't Want Your Lovin' No More. 2, 3, 4. I don't want your loving no more. 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 Every day.
I had a dream the other day. It was about you. I told you just how I felt about you. But that seems so long ago and so real. I wish you were with me now. Knew how I feel, how I love you. I wish you were here. Can't stop thinking of you. I wish you were here. The minutes seem to pass like hours, and the hours pass like days. My head is spinning round, can't see through the haze, and I need to talk with you and see your face. All this time without you seems such a waste. How I love you. I wish you were here. Can't stop thinking of you. I wish you were here.
Joanne, please take my hand, and I'll love you, girl, all that I can. Oh, please let me, Joanne, I love you. Someday we may be alone, and I can show you, girl, oh, how I feel. And I will hold you, Joanne. I love you. And if someone should say that they love you, say that you love only me. And if someone should say that they need you, say that you need only me. If someone should say that they love you, say that you love only me. And if someone should say that they need you, say that you need only me. Joanne, how can I show you how I feel when I look into your eyes? Girl, oh, how I feel. And I will kiss you, Joanne. I love you, I love Joanne. I love you, I love Joanne.
Recording again, which we are, and we're ready to go.
Agawam Skyline.
Agawam skyline, won't you be mine? Drinking that fine wine, ain't it about time? Agawam skyline, such a hard climb. Won't you please, please be mine? When your family moved to town, no one could complain. You were so beautiful and everyone felt the same. That's why they gave you this name. My heart is aching and you are to blame. Agawam skyline, won't you be mine? Drinking that fine wine, ain't it about time? Agawam skyline, such a hard climb.